Yeah, I'm having them unhook on Monday.
Yeah, you don't want it to fall toward us. You're going to pull it this way sort of?
No, I'm going that way.
Straight out?
Yeah, away from the house. Just watch. Just keep your ears out. If it starts to come see this, look.
That's overkill on that roof, man. I'm fucking 2x6s. I mean, that's the 2x6 on the big rafters you got in that thing. Double boarded.
Well, it's also BS because you're supposed to have one every 16 inches.
He looks like he's about 24
or
better.
Well, those don't even go the whole span. Look, the only ones that make the whole span are 3 feet apart.
Oh, yeah. Damn. So Mike built this himself?
I'm guessing so because he built
here
them.
when you moved in, wasn't it?
Yeah, and he was building them garages. It was apparently his office. I forgot he was going to start an ambulance company.
That's right.
And I found all boxes of paperwork and stuff for that venture. I found a police scanner.
Found it?
Yeah, it's hooked up. It works. It doesn't seem to have a speaker though. There's no sound coming out, but it's operating.
That's
and
nice in the draw, though. I guess it was this camera. Left it behind.
I stepped on a nail over here before. It went right through my shoe, right up into my heel.
Oh, you had a tennis shot there, didn't you, when you stepped on one a couple years ago?
I don't know. Yeah, I wanted to power down already, but I forgot to call until Wednesday, and we were having storms, and it was the day before Thanksgiving. The lady on the phone sounded like she was stroking out when I was calling her up to have them come and undo us. Yeah, that's mine.
You were stroking out about it?
Yeah, I was like, I understand, I was like, whenever. Just coming unhooked from the pole. See, I think it's already leaning, but it could have already been leaning. All right, I'm gonna get some stills.